Alright everyone, let's learn to plot some data. We're going to write a new script, so it's not going to be a function, so just leave out the header keywords and just start typing in the commands. So our domain x will be a vector from 0 to 3 in 0.1 increments. Let's suppress the output with a semicolon, and the y value will be x squared and element y squared. You have to write a dot. Okay, now you want to plot your function, so you just write plot, give the x values, give the y values, and save it. Let's call it script. And now you just hit play and the script will be executed. Alright, so on the right you see the figure with a simple plot. You see x squared. So here you have the x-axis and the y-axis. And now you want to add a title. So you type in title of, let's call it my title. Hit play again and the title appears. Now you want to label your axis, so you type in x label, let's call it time t, and y label will be value, so it's a time dependent value. Press play. Y label. You press play and here you go. You have labeled your axis. The x-axis is t and the y-axis is value. Now you want to add a grid. So you type in grid on and a grid appears. And now you want to add a few other curves in the same plot. So we'll have another y, let's say y2 will be x to the power of 3. And a third y will be x to the power of 4. Okay, now you want them inside the same plot. So we're going to use the command hold on. So you tell MATLAB to hold on, otherwise it will just override your whole plot and the old curve will be deleted. So you have to write hold on and then plot x, y2, once again plot x, y3, and hold off. You hit play and all the other curves appear. But now you have the problem, you can't tell the difference which one is which curve. So you can change the colors. This is easy. Just another comma. And then you say, okay, the first curve should be red, R stands for red. Second curve should be black. K stands for black. Alright, and a third curve should remain blue. Type play, now you have a red curve, black curve, and a blue curve. You can also change the markers. So the first one will have the marker plus, and the second one will have marker stars. Type enter, and here you go, you have pluses and stars. If you want to connect those markers, type in a dash. So your markers will be connected. Now you can also add a legend. And here you write your strings for the legend. So it will be curve 1, comma, curve 2, and curve 3. Curve 3. hit play, and a legend appears. So now you know how to visualize data in 2D.